times in antebellum slavery or during our captivity that went to the Bible, which had been denied them. They were not permitted to read the Bible on pain of death, actually, by their captors. But when they did get to it, when some quote-unquote well-meaning white person would teach them a text or something, they had a unique interpretation that was relative to their situation. Among them, we think of men like the Right Reverend Nat Turner and Reverend Gabriel Prosser and Denmark Vesey and Right Reverend Mother Harriet Tubman and people like that.
But then Bishop Turner at the end of Bishop Henry McNeil Turner at the end of the century.
And Henry Harlan Garnett.
Who used it as a revolutionary weapon.
So does that say we can take it now and use it as a tool for liberation?
Right now. We can use Islam the same way, if we would. But religion is authoritarian. And there's such thing as religious fascism. And some ministers have turned it into that. A way of dominating the mind and controlling the body.
But Dr. Clark, we certainly thank you for this opportunity. This has been a wonderful and enlightening session. And in closing out here,